Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I have a newer product that I want to review. I'm talking about the Colourpop High Society palette. I believe this is new. I got it during the free shipping that they had in June. I just got the package. The shipping took about a month or so, but that's fine. I finally got it. I paid $10 for this, so it's pretty affordable. And this is the palette right here. I got so excited when I saw this color scheme. I was like, I need this. I probably have these shades already, I'm not sure. I was mostly drawn to this shade here, and I can't wait to use this. First I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you can see each shade properly. Before we get started, I want to kindly ask you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I mostly do makeup tutorials, but sometimes I throw in a few reviews. So if you want to see more makeup content from me, make sure to press that subscribe button. Now let's start swatching. So it has 5 shades, it has 2 matte shades, 2 shimmers, and this looks like it has some glitters in it, like a matte with a little bit of glitter. So first I have the shade Promise, and let's see. Oh, I just love how it feels. It's so soft. Okay, let's see it. So it looks, it's like it's a green shimmer. I thought it was something duochromatic. I think it's not. It just looks like a regular greenish shimmer. It's really pretty though. Next we have the shade Fan Fave, this glittery yellowish shade. It has a yellow base, but the glitters are quite green. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Next we have the shade Buggin'. Again, it's a green shimmer. The first shade here looked a little bit more teal than this one. Oh, gorgeous. So it has that yellow tint. It's like a lime green. Next we have my favorite shade from the palette, the shade Don't Care. It looks more teal in the pan than it does on my hand. On my hand it looks quite green, but I don't mind it. It's pretty nonetheless. And let's see the shade Scene here. This is a darker teal. So these are all the colors swatched. Again, they all revolve around the color green. So they're either minty shades or lime greens or like lime yellow, but they are all kind of in the same color scheme. And now let's create a makeup look. I applied a little bit of the Urban Decay Primer Potion on my lids, so the eyeshadow will last, since, you guessed it, I'm going to work after this. So yeah, the shadow needs to last for about 9 hours. I'm going to let the primer dry for a couple of minutes. I think I will do my lips meanwhile. Why not? Okay, the primer had plenty of time to sit. I'm going to start the eye look. I think I'm going to start with Don't Care. And I'm using a Morphe M506 brush. The palette has a little bit of kickback in the pen, nothing crazy, but you gotta be gentle on how hard you go in with the brush. I'm going to dust off a little bit of the excess since I've done my face already and I don't want fallout. Oh, this looks neon. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I'm starting from the outer corner and fading it towards the center of my crease. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I just love green. And I'm using the same shade. Yeah, I'm using the same shade on my lower lash line. So this will kind of be my transition shade in a way. I'm connecting both on my upper and lower lid here in my outer corner. So from here I just do this kind of a motion to extend the blend. I'm switching to a more dense brush. This is a Morphe E18 brush. And I'm going to pick up the shade Scene. Oh my god, that's a lot of kickback in the pan. I think I went too hard in. whatever, I'm dusting off the excess. And then I'm placing this in my other corner. Kind of below where I placed the first shade. And again, with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to blend towards my crease. And I'm going to do the same thing on my lower lash line. And with my previous brush, with no additional product on it, I'm just going to blend. This palette blends really easily, and I really love the pigment. Yes, I'm happy with my purchase so far. Next, I'm going to grab Promise here. I'm not sure what to do. This is a Juvia's Place 002 small definer brush. It doesn't look like it's grabbing the product really well, but we'll see. Oh, it's decent, even though I feel like it would be way better with the finger. So I think I'm going to switch to my finger. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Way better. So this shade is definitely better when applied with the finger. I'm gonna pick up this dense brush again and go all the way to my inner corner, because like I thought I was going to apply a shimmer on my lower lash line, but I'm not. Next, I'm just going to use the same brush because it barely has any product on it. I'm going to pick up the shade Buggin. This it looks like the brush picks it up a little bit better than the previous one. Yeah, this is okay applied with the brush. I think I'm going to go with Promise again. I kind of covered it. Last but not least, I'm going to pick up a dense brush like this again, and I'm going to pick up this Fan Fave shade, as I really wanted to use every shade in this palette, and I managed. And this shade is gonna go in my inner corner. I feel like the glitters don't really show up, so it's mostly matte. I'm going to finish this eye look off camera by applying mascara and probably lashes, and then I'll be right back. I'm back, and this is the look all complete. Okay, so about the palette, I want to say something bad about it. I don't really have anything to say bad about it, other than the fact that it has a little bit of fallout in the pan, if that's something that you mind. I personally, I don't know, this is not really a downside for me, I don't really care about it, but if you do, it does have that. For the price, I feel like it's such a beautiful palette. If you're looking for something green, I would for sure recommend you to go for this one. It's really beautiful, the pigment is great, it's easy to work with, it's blendable. I don't know, it's really gorgeous, I really love it, and I for sure be reaching for it again. I really love the look I came up with using all the shades in this palette. The thing with this kind of a small one color palette, let's say, is the fact that you don't have a lot of variety, but this is not the point of this palette. You can, of course, only create green looks. But yeah, if you are looking for something green, go for it. I think it's totally worth it. That's everything I had to say. I really hope this video was useful and you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below. And yeah, that's it for me. I'm going to head to work. And I really hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!